Hi buddy, I'm John. My car is broken. I was struck by thunder. What should I do?
Oh no! Hmm? Hmm. Oh!
I have to call my friend. Where's my cell phone? Thank God I didn't forget.
What's up?
Hi buddy, I'm John. My car is broken. I was struck by thunder. What should I do?
Don't worry, I'll fix your car and be careful of lightning. Here we come, my friend.
Thank you very much.
Let's go boy, we have a broken car.
Thank you, my friend.
We're done quickly.
Okay. It's very heavy. Let's go for a drink. Goodbye kids, see you in the next video. And stay home, bye.